Homophones in context, understanding common challenges. Hello everyone. We are about to embark on a fun and exciting journey through the world of English language. Today, we'll be focusing on a particularly tricky part of learning English: homophones. These are words that sound the same but have different meanings, and sometimes different spellings. Our goal today is to explore the common challenges learners face when dealing with homophones, and of course, we'll provide tips and tricks on how to conquer them. The first challenge that many learners face is recognizing homophones. Remember, homophones are words that sound the same but may have different spellings and meanings. For example, to, and to all sound the same, but they have different uses in sentences. It can be confusing, right? It's all about paying close attention to the context of the sentence. Practice and repetition are key here. The second challenge is spelling differences. Yes, not all homophones are spelled the same way. Words like break and break sound identical but mean very different things. The best way to master this is to read a lot and take note of how these words are used in sentences. Over time, you'll start to recognize the correct spelling based on the context. Another challenge is using homophones correctly in a sentence. Often learners know the meaning of the words but get confused when they have to use them. Let's take the homophones, there, and there, for example. Although they sound the same, their usage is quite different. Remembering the difference can be tough, but with consistent practice, you will improve. Lastly, we have the challenge of homophones in different accents. The pronunciation of some words can change based on the region or country, which can sometimes create new homophones or eliminate others. This is a higher-level challenge, but an interesting one to explore as your understanding of English deepens. And that wraps up our journey through the world of homophones and the challenges they pose to English learners. We hope that you found this video helpful and enlightening. Remember, the key to conquering these challenges is practice, exposure, and patience. So don't get disheartened if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you'll surely master the use of homophones in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.